Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Super 8 by Wyndham Conning. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get special pricing. Some of the most popular facilities are one swimming pool, pet-friendly and a tea, coffee maker in all rooms. Super 8 by Wyndham Conning located off Interstate 5. This Conning, California hotel serves a daily grab-and-go breakfast and features rooms with free Wi-Fi and a cable TV. Rolling Hills Casino is just 4 miles away. A microwave, fridge and coffee maker are provided in all rooms at the Super 8 Conning. Each room offers simple decor and includes a spacious work desk. Free access to the outdoor pool is offered to all guests, and poolside seating is provided on the sun deck. A business center with free Wi-Fi is on site. Sevillano Links Golf Course is an 8-minute drive from the Conning Super 8. Woodson Bridge State Recreation Area is a 15-minute drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.